Good evening. Welcome everyone. This is the 18th birthday party of my daughter Marge. She designed everything. I just paid for it. So, I hope you enjoy it. Please enjoy your evening.
18 years and counting. First shot, 2 to 3 years, 07, 16, 16. A rational yet repeating decimal part of your life. 0.167. As little as that number is, as little as how much I know about you, and how geeky a message is, I'm pretty sure those numbers can't begin to sum up how much I'm grateful to have a friend like you. Even though I met you 3 years ago, compared to people who knew you longer, I'm not sure I even deserve to be your first shot. But because of that meeting, I was able to meet a strong-willed woman, and I cannot thank you enough for being 3 parts of my 17 as I am to your 18. 07, 16, 16. It's your day. Happy birthday, Marge. And here's your first shot.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. Ang ganda mo tonight, sobra. You know, ikaw yung college BFF ko. Kahit accidental lang yung pagka-BFF natin. Since then, sobra na nating close and clingy. Na tipong magkasama na nga tayo all day. Pag-uwi pa natin, magkausap pa din tayo, araw-araw. Kasi palagi kang may chika. And tapos sa paggala, ikaw din kasama ko. Sobrang nating close na ayokong nag-aaway tayo or anything. Or magkaroon man tayo ng kahit anong problema. Kasi, oh my God, ikaw lang kasama ko araw-araw. So, kamusta naman kung mag-away tayo, di ba? Yung drama ng buhay ko, drama mo na din. To the point na sabi mo sa akin, cancel na natin yung ball pit kasi nasistress ka sa akin. I remember one time, sobra kong sad. Tapos sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan ko ng kausap na as in person. Sabi mo agad, punta ka sa bahay ko, papaalam ka lang. I mean, pareho tayong taga Parañaque, pero malayo pa din. So ayun, nasitan talaga ako sobra. I hope maging BFF pa tayo na patagal. I love you so much and I'm always here para maging PA mo. Para ka ng sister ko sa sobra natin close. I love you.
It's not really something you can use every day unless that's what you want. But it's something you can, drink or we can drink tonight. So happy birthday. I hope all your dreams come true because for me, you are the 4.0 in this world of Pasanaw.
Thank you for being a good friend. And sobrang dedicated mo sa ACADS. Kasi, alam mo, kahit nagsasaya tayo, gumagawa ka ng outline.
We're on opposite ends of the spectrum now, but I'm glad to coexist with you. And there's a difference between growing up and growing old. Growing old is, you have no choice. Growing up is optional. So, here's to growing old but never growing up.
Thank you so much for being my kwento buddy and my same size everything buddy. So now what I got you as a gift is a mystery because like a mystery, you have to find out what it is. Just like in life, you need to see what would happen next. You can't be told what would happen next. So now I'll give you a clue what it is because I remember you always tell me, Marge, you gotta fix your life. So I got you something that will help you organize your life. So I hope you like it. And just know that I'll always be here for you. Happy birthday, Marge. Love you.
I think that you're the perfect balance for responsible and happy-go-lucky. You're just a good friend, a responsible woman now because you're legal now. Yeah. Thank you for everything, and I hope that we'll still continue the happy times. Yun lang.
I guess a lot would agree here. I would say you really do see Mataray. As in, Mataray to the max level. Yung tipong sasabihan ka ng, wait, parang ang pangat ng suot mo. Or, yan na naman suot mo. Yes, Marge, you really do see Mataray at times. However, believe me when I say, yung pagiging Mataray mo is not what people will remember of you. Because people remember how nice of a person you are, kung gaano ka kasolid, how you treat and care for your friends, yung tipong you would really go the extra mile just for them. So as you turn legal in a few days, I hope you stay being you, being the person we all know. And I wish you all the best in life, insert love life. Enjoy your night because definitely this night is not about us, it's about you. To more adventures, craziness, giviness, and solidness to come.
Okay, fine. I got you a blouse because it's something that everyone needs. And I think that you're the kind of friend that everyone has to have. You're the person that everyone needs in their life. And that I think that if I haven't met you, I think my life, or at least college, isn't the same anymore. You help me overcome them. My insecurities, you help me overcome them. And you convince me to be proud of it. You may not realize that you do these things, but you do. Happy 18th birthday, Marge. I love you, and I wish you all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Marge. Thank you for putting up with me, lalo na yung BPI at K-pop hits ko. Thanks for accepting me entirely kahit na super kulit ko. So yun, sana sabay tayo graduate. Stay strong sa Orcom. Sana solid DL pa rin. Thank you for being such a supportive friend. Someone I can approach kapag may nakalimutan akong homework. And thank you for giving me advice whenever I have difficulty in making decisions. Yan. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Marge. You're finally 18, and I know how badly you want this day to come. Naligal ka na. Ito na yan. You're one of my closest friends in college since Noriter pa lang. And up to now, we went through a lot. There were times na super stressed tayo sa ACADS. And may times din na sobrang fun lang and walwal. Simple lang yung gift ko, but I hope that you will keep it and cherish it because my gift for you will really help you whenever there are times na you want to give up because of school. You want things to be finished na agad. And with that, I really admire you for it. Especially for always being a good leader. Even though madalas ka na nagagalit sa amin. Or kasi minsan tamad kami or hindi namin nagagawa agad on time, sorry. I know that there are times na nahihirapan ka na and I just wanna tell you na whatever happens, don't let it hinder you from being what you are. You are a very, very, very strong woman. Always stay positive and don't stress too much. Dito lang kami lagi if you need someone to talk to. I hope mag-enjoy ka and this is your night. So make the most out of it. Love you. Happy birthday.
I can't believe that it's been 18 years had already passed and you've grown to be a fine young lady. Congratulations and welcome to adult life. The treasure that I want you to have is a color green Pandora bracelet. Green is because green is Animo Lasal, the color of your school. I also added a charm, a crown fit for a queen, and that's you. You might be a princess to many, but you're a queen of your own life. When I was still your age, I dreamed of traveling, going different places, learning different cultures, and meeting lots of people. Unfortunately, I was not able to do so. It's not the travel that I miss, but the experience and opportunity to learn something new. So I hope that when you finally decided to visit places, you would bring back a charm from those places you've been to and add it to your bracelet. Travel is never a matter of money, but of courage. May you always find courage in everything you do. May life bring you more happiness and peace of mind. Happy birthday.
Marge, happy birthday. For you, you'll always be my niece, stuck on being 13 years old, remember? We know that you'll be receiving a lot of gifts on your 18th birthday. That's why we decided to give you something different. We want to give you happy memories which hopefully last your lifetime. Having said that, on behalf of Ai and San, we will treat you to your first out of the country trip. You can choose any country in Asia. Just like in the movie Inside Out, we hope you will store this in your memory bank forever. Remember that we are always here for you. God bless you with an abundant life.
We do not want to let pass your 18th birthday celebration without personally be part of it. Tito Bill and I is inviting you for a round-trip ticket to Vegas. I hope you can visit us. We love you.
There will be a lot of challenges that you will face in your journey. I give you this gift and I hope you will use it in your journey. Now that you're 18 already, don't forget to always ask guidance for our Father above and of course from your Father too. Good luck and God bless always. Happy birthday, Mars. Love you.
We are celebrating two special occasions today. Your birthday and the feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. These two big celebrations are going on simultaneously in heaven with someone very dear to your heart. You know who she is. Your mommy. She is very happy. She is celebrating your birthday too in heaven. Margie, you are very special to me and your lolo. Being our one and only granddaughter, I have never called anyone sweetheart in my life, except when you were younger. You remember? I always call you my sweetheart. Our wish and prayer for you is to be successful in whatever endeavor you pursue with the support of your dad. But don't forget to pray always, so your mother on earth, who is now in heaven, will be very happy. And the Blessed Mother Mary will love you more. Your Lola and I are very proud of you. We love you very much. Happy birthday.
And there was this huge picture of your gorgeous mom. Isa lang talaga nasabi ko sa kanya na you would have been so proud to have watched your daughter grow into Margaret Madrigal. You deserve all the happiness in the world. I love you. Happy birthday.
You exemplify what it is to be a strong woman. And I hope you continue to push others to be better than they already are. Happy birthday.
Marge dear, as you now turn into a lady, I give you this mini treasure box where you can keep memorabilia of your travel, and it looks like you'll be traveling a lot while you journey through life. And when the time comes, that you have a daughter that will turn 18 again, you can open the box and look at the road you've traveled and how you became, and I know you will be successful in life. Happy birthday, dear.
I grew up no third year, takot ako kay Marge, as in, like, super duper takot ako kay Marge. Especially pag production, like, nasa na ba? Pero, parang naging idol ko na rin siya. Like, you're my idol. When it comes to, idol ko siya. Like, yung leadership skills, yung paano siya organized when it comes to talagang important stuff. And then, yung mga fights namin, parang yun yung nagpa-stronger sa friendship namin. Like, I remember when I bought you, Starbucks matcha. Para lang ma-forgive mo ako. As in, kasi sobrang scared ako sa'yo. And I know, at some point, medyo na-disappoint ka nung di ako DLSU. Yeah, I know you were disappointed. Ako din, disappointed din ako kasi, like, you were part of me talaga. Kahit takot ako sa'yo, kahit sobrang sakit mo magsalita minsan. Sobrang thankful ako sa'yo kasi you're not just sobrang straight to the point. Happy birthday, and I pray di ka magbago. Count the people who love you the most na lang. So, I love you so much!
In the 5 years we've known each other, 3 things come to mind. Your unlimited supply of ball pens, your talent in the arts, and their endless support to all of your friends and family. With that, to you, I give these writing materials as a means to express yourself. Write your own story and live your own adventure. Again, happy birthday, Marge. We love you.
You know what? You're a very good friend kasi rinaremind mo na napupunta sa maling landas, but then you're doing everything para i-break sa tuwid na landas. Indeed, for your friends, change is coming. And also, thanks for listening and sharing mga sawi pag-ibig moments. Have fun tonight. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Marge. Actually, dalawa yan. I vote shoulder bag. Kasi sabi mo, gusto mo yan, di ba? Isang pwede mong magamit pang daily and then pang travel mo, yung pagka may out of town ka with your friend. I would like to take this opportunity, Marge, to say thank you for being nice to me. And hanggang sa pagtanda mo, stay humble. Kahit gaano ka nakasuccessful, wag ka magbabago. Happy birthday.
Hindi ko alam ba't nilagay mo ako dito sa shots. Alam mo naman di ako mainom, di ba? Happy birthday to my taga-suway, my rescuer tuwing di ako nakapag-aral sa quiz. And taga-paalala kapag may nakalimutan akong homework. So, one would be lucky enough to have a friend like you, and I feel so blessed na lagay mo parte ka ng buhay ko. We love you, Marge, more than we could show.
I can't believe that you're 18 now. Finally, the legal age you've been waiting for. And I remember the first time I met you, natakot ako sa'yo. Like, nagtatawanan kami ni Vicky and Bianca, and you were like, poker face lang. You were one of the bestest friends I've had in high school, and those 4 years were unforgettable. So, yung Christmas, naalala mo ba yung Christmas dati? Like, we baked cookies, and yung gumawa pa tayo ng Sims version ng One Direction. So, yun, yung mga crazy things natin sa bus. That was memorable. And I'm thankful I've had the chance to be friends with you. And I know you'll reach your dreams, and I would like to say happy birthday, Marge.
Dear Marge, happy 18th birthday. Now that you're a grown woman, I got you makeup, which is an essential. On days that you want to look and feel good, you can put this on. But remember, you are the only person who decides what makes you feel good. Remember that I will always be here for you, so follow your dreams and do what makes you happy. I hope that you will always be healthy and well. I love you and I wish you all the best in life.
You've always been a person who people can rely on. You're our biggest rock in the sense na you don't drag us down, but when we need you, you're there. I quote Phil K and Sarah K in Origin Story when they say, I have seen the worst of you and the best of you, and I choose not to let go. Because ikaw talaga yung up and down, nandun ka. Ikaw yung tipong, you've seen my ugly, and I've seen yours, and we choose to stay. Sana, as you climb the heights of success, you always remember to be humble. You remember that people are here to welcome you when you fail, not because we feel bad for you, but because we know that you can do better. Thank you for everything, and I hope you stay the same. I love you, Marge. Sobra.
Finally, after all those years of doing things, finally you can do it without and with legal restraint. You are one of the most irresponsible people I know. You told me na you should stop looking for the wishbone in every meal, but you should build your own backbone. I give you something. I give you perfume. Because you need, it's something that will give you some fresh air. Yeah. Happy birthday.
First of all, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng GV Marge, especially if nasa Chela tayo or kahit saan naman. It's never a dull moment when you're there. But most importantly, thanks for being a great friend. First, you're someone who I can always go to when I need help, Marge. And I hope you know that you could see me in that light as well. Happy birthday, Marge. Alam na tayo.
I gave you Cuervo kasi solid ka. And kaya siya walang balot kasi it's like you're transparent, you tell me everything. You're the friend I will never ever forget.
I thought that you were hardworking, but you weren't a pushover. And I thought that you were brutally honest, but you were still very tactful. You were simple, but far from being simple-minded. And unlike other people, you tell me what I need to hear, not what I want to hear. I would go to your house, we would sing karaoke, we would unexpectedly go to Tagaytay, just the two of us. We would watch movies, we would do homework together, and we would talk about absolutely anything. And I vaguely remember promising via Skype that we were going to live together. We were going to get an apartment once we had stable income. So we would cook together and we would eat pancit canton at 2 a.m. Despite Tito getting mad that she slept late and I was the reason why she slept late. And I will never forget the feeling I had when I realized that I had a true friend. If there's anything I wish you, it would be the gift of authenticity, the gift you gave to me, the gift of real friendships, genuine human connections, truly meaningful experiences, the ones that you will cherish, just as I have cherished the big part you played in my life. Happy 18th birthday, Marge. You're legal now. We don't have to drink milk shots, just like what we planned on your 17th birthday. Don't make bad life decisions, and ever you decide to, I hope they're worth it. I wish you all the best and all the good things life has to offer. Thank you, Marge.
Happy birthday, Marge. Wow, time flies so fast. Suddenly, you are 18. You are the perfect niece. I am proud of you for your achievements in school and for your talents. You can have all the material things tonight, but this gift will last a lifetime. As it is written in Joshua 1:8, this book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have good success. So my gift for you is a Bible. It is the Word of God, and it contains God's instruction for us on how to live a life that is pleasing to Him. I hope you will treasure it. We cannot always be there for you, but God's Word will guide you through life's ups and downs. I wish you God's best for your life. Happy birthday, and I love you. Always remember that I will always be there for you.
Hey man, happy birthday. I hope you're having fun right now sa debut mo. And so ayun, good luck sa pagiging legal, lalo na panahon ng Duterte. And sa Orcom, since I'm a big brother sa Orcom. So advice ko lang, be ready for tons of paperwork and readings. Think of it na parang you're doing your thesis every day. Mahirap siya, pero worth it. Parang love lang. Mahirap magmarat, masaktan, pero if tama yung tao, worth it naman nila. And thanks for reminding me always about my injuries and stuff. Lastly, don't change, even if change is the only constant thing in this world. And I know you'll always be the trustworthy and straightforward Marge that I know. Love you, man. Happy birthday.
I gift you with this creativity board. With this, I hope you remember your roots and plans in life as you collate and post on this board. I love you, Marco. Enjoy your special day.
We've known each other for 3 years now, and I've seen you in your best, and especially in your worst. It is in those moments, at your worst, that I truly got to know you. I got you a bag because I want you to remember that as a friend, you can carry us with you. Your loved ones will be willing to accompany you and journey with you, regardless of where you are and when we aren't there. You carry our love and best wishes with you. Bring only what you need. Do not let the challenges in life enter it with the intent to drag you down. And again, happy birthday, March. Our best wishes are with you.
When we were in high school, my very first impression of March was exactly parang kumakain ng tao ng buhay. When we got to know more each other, na-realize ko na may softness din pala kahit pa paano sa puso niya. We all know that March isn't the friendly type of person who would talk to you. Hindi ako iyak eh! Mama! Wait, okay. We all know that hindi siya yung friendly type na kakausapin ka at the beginning of class. And she also isn't the person who would compliment you all the time. Minsan may kita niya ako, sabi niya, haba ng baba mo. Tapos pag pangit yung suot mo, parang, ano ba yung suot mo? Sa may napulot? Ano yung mga ganun? But what sets her apart from others is that she isn't afraid to say things that she wants to say. She stays true to everyone. I love you, Marge. Kahit na hindi ko pinapakita masyado na mahal kita.
When Marge was born, we were in the hospital, and I myself, with the grandmother, Marie Judith, and my wife were there, and I monitored from birth up to the weighing scale of Marge, and just to make sure that hindi siya napalitan sa hospital. So when I asked, baka napalitan, sabi nila hindi dahil yung kilay. I was the one who gave the name of Anne-Marie Margaret. Anne Margaret was a beautiful actress, American actress at the time, during my time in the 50s. And I inserted Marie to complete her full name to a Christian name. So it became Anne-Marie Margaret. I would carry her, and hopefully that every day that I would carry her, madadala ko siya up to so much age, pero she outgrew my strength, kaya hindi ko na siya kaya. Marge, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, and may you have more 18th birthdays to come.
all I can say is, happy birthday, March. I'm sure somebody up there is proud of you. Meron akong pinaprepare na kanta eh. Hindi ko tuloy makanta. Pinapractice ko kanina. Bigla pa siyang dumating. Hindi ko tuloy na-practice dahil mabubuking na ako. Anyway, I will sing a phrase. When I wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. So that's the gist of what I would like to tell my daughter. A son is a son until he gets married, but a daughter is a daughter forever. So I will be here for you as long as I can.
Basically, I just want to tell everyone that I really appreciate your presence tonight. Thank you for coming. Thank you for all your gifts, your messages, and your presence. And especially to those who prepared a lot for tonight, especially my musicians. So, and also to my personal alalay, Janine Cruz. Thank you, and I know I started late and this ended late. So, I hope you still enjoy the night, and the mobile bar is already open since 7:30 today. So let's have a drink, and thank you.